Guys, this is gonna be the best episode ever. Check this out. This here is going to be amazing. Amazing. Usually I don't talk too much, but this is gonna be special. This is the 2JZ GE. All this here goes away. This is a non-VVTi. We're gonna put a VVTi. All of this goes away, and we're gonna put a thicker, probably Mishimoto, I don't know, Mishimoto, and we're gonna install that intake manifold. This is gonna be a huge looks upgrade in the car, but we still need to clean a bunch of stuff here and delete so many things, and it's gonna be beautiful. So I got one gasket and the thermostat. I got a new thermostat just in case. So thermostat goes in here on the thermostat housing, and this gasket goes right around the thermostat. So it goes like this in here. Be sure that is all the way to the end. It gotta be flush, and then we put our neck here. So this is 4 Newton meter, which is the same thing as you hand tight. So get a small wrench. We've been there before, right? You put a small wrench in there, and then you tighten. There you go. That and that. Nice. Now we're gonna go on this guy here, which is gonna be a tube that goes all the way on the other side. There's a gasket like this. I like to put some of these gasket maker water and pump. This is gonna have a good contact in there. And there are 2 nuts and a bolt on the other side. The 2 nuts goes in here and the bolt in there. They are all 12 millimeter, and they are torqued at 6.7 foot-pound. So there you go. Let's do this guy. Done. Here we go. So for the oil filter housing, you can see it's right here, and we have one gasket. The gasket has like 3 or 4 little things. I'm gonna get this bolt, put it in there. I don't like torquing those guys much because they break. And then put the housing in place. I'm gonna put some oil here because it makes seal a little better. Alright, so we put oil in here. It's just a little bit. Then we align this in there. Now we get this nut. Now there's a 22 millimeter huge bolt, and this weird washer. We're gonna get those guys, put it together, put it in there. 24 millimeter. So from the top you got a 13 millimeter, and here we're gonna do 65 foot-pound with a torque wrench. So for this one, I do not have the gasket for that, so I'm just gonna put in here, put the bolts, just so we have it there. 2 nuts. Now for the fun part. Bolt. It comes with all the stuff we need. It does not use gaskets, you use O-rings. So you just push the O-rings in place and make them form. Alright, so I'm gonna fit them in here first. There. So bolt by bolt now, I'm gonna put blue Loctite and start pushing them in. I want to be sure it's not cross-threading. The throttle cable holder, it's a 4 millimeter. Nice. And there you go, guys. This was one of the most exciting parts I bought for the 2JZ build. I was very excited to install. And so we have a lot of the water system installed, just a couple things missing, couple parts powder coated, and with no time this is gonna be ready. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It was fun to make. This was something that it was on my on my list for a long time. So next episode, so we're gonna do some stuff. I'm actually gonna start recording right now, but I am going to sandblast this guy, and we're gonna powder coat the valve covers. Woo! Check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.